Good morning, everyone. Wednesday morning here in rural Nebraska, May 13th. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. 402 Ag Trucking and Adventures, where I share my daily runs trucking agricultural products around Nebraska and the surrounding states. And today we actually get to do something that I haven't done in quite a while. Well, probably a couple months, 2.5, 3 months, but looking forward to it. I am actually getting ready here in a little bit to go haul cattle. It's been, like I said, probably a good 2.5, 3 months since I've got to haul a load of cattle. So looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day out. It's probably low mid 70s right now. Sun shining, not a cloud in sight. And we're going to haul some cattle up to Dakota City, Nebraska. Got about another, roughly an hour before we load, but kind of looking forward to this. Like I said, it's just been a while since I've got to haul cattle. So just got hooked up here a few minutes ago, pulled into the farm, cleaned the windows, going to check a few other things out, make sure the trailer's all set up and ready to go, and then probably head over here before too long and start getting loaded, and then we'll start rolling north. But invite you to hang along for the adventure, see what the sights are out along the countryside, and try to enjoy a beautiful day in rural Nebraska. Got to change boots, jump in the trailer real quick, and get everything set up. So when it's our turn, we're ready to load. Just don't like wearing my decent shoes inside the trailer. It hasn't been washed out since the last load, so. Not that the inside of my truck's much cleaner, but we'll make it work. Let's see if I can get up in here. I'll find a way to secure that mic a little bit better. Get the gate in place. Well, there we go. Now we can put the ramp back down. Shouldn't have been left down to start with, but I didn't run this trailer last. way we're set to load the nose. Then we'll load the top deck. That almost hurt. Load the top deck, then we'll close all this up, load the belly, and then load the back end. Alrighty, we got the wagon loaded. We are rolling down the highway. Got, I believe, if I remember correctly, 37 head on. Yep, 37 head. We're rolling north and east. Head up to Dakota City. It's a pretty nice day out. A little on the warm side, about 75, 80 degrees. So I'm going to try to keep the air moving through the trailer the best we can. But we've got about a 2.5 hour, 3 hour run up to Dakota City. So it should be a pretty good trip. Get to enjoy some of the beautiful countryside, clear blue skies. It's going to be the last ride for these cows, so we're going to try to make it the best we can. But we'll share the trip with you and catch up with you once we get up closer to Dakota City. Yeah, we're chugging along. Made some good time so far. We're probably about 45 minutes to an hour away from Dakota City. Cows seem to be traveling pretty good. I've hauled some loads where they'll sit and walk around all over in a trailer and just rock you back and forth. But these are actually standing pretty good for me. Weather's still not terrible. It's about, truck says it's about 78 degrees, so not too bad for them back there, I don't think. But we're making our way along. Haven't been up in this part of the state in quite some time. It's probably been, I guess maybe 2 or 3 years since I've been up this far. So, kind of neat to see some different scenery. Last couple months we've just been running pretty much the same routes. Although good, it does get boring after a while seeing the same stretch of highway. But we'll get up there and see what they got in store for us once we get to the plant. Sure, a mess of traffic right through here. Intersection we turned out a little ways back had a guy out there that I think he was supposed to be directing traffic, but wasn't the way I was ever taught how to do it. He didn't have control of that intersection, that's for damn sure. But like they always say, good help is hard to find. But I think we're getting a little bit closer to where we need to be. I haven't ever been to this place before, so I'm just following the guy in front of me. But I think we're getting almost to where the plant's at. Get wheeled in there and get these old girls kicked off. Yeah, we got up to Dakota City, got the girls kicked off the trailer. Good thing is we loaded 37, we unloaded 37. It's always good when that happens. Pretty decent weight. So one nice thing about hauling fat cattle is they have typically been hauled quite a bit, so they're easy to get on and relatively easy to get off. So it didn't take that long. It took longer to wait for the yard man to do all of my paperwork than to actually get them off the trailer. So that's a good thing. But we're headed back home. Probably got about 2 hours or so, give or take. And we're going to drop the trailer. Somebody else is going to use it tomorrow morning, so I got to unhook it. But overall, pretty decent trip. Got close to Dakota City. There was a lot of road construction. Had to duck and dodge around some of that stuff. Some folks that didn't know how to do traffic control at intersections, but we got through it. Like I said, got in there, got out of there relatively quickly. Didn't have to wait very long to back up and get unloaded. But it sure is warm. Got a little bit of guacamole on my shirt too. But that comes out in the wash, not a big deal. But we'll keep rolling towards home and try to get back and have supper at a decent time. But we'll catch you once we get back down there. Looks like we got something going on at the intersection up here. See a lot of red and blue flashing lights, red and white flashing lights. traffic backed up in both directions. That's never a good sign. Looks like a wreck in the middle of the intersection. Pretty good one from the looks of it, too. I mean, not good, but quite a bit of damage to one of the vehicles. So, prayers that everyone's okay. But I know they do have at least one ambulance on scene, so hopefully it's nothing too serious. Well, not a good sign. Got passed by one of the ambulances from the accident scene, running down the highway with their lights on. Probably headed to either Osceola Hospital or York Hospital, not sure which one. But never a good sign when they're running down the road with their lights on. So again, prayers that everything works out for those involved. And with that, it's going to be a wrap on the day. Got the trailer unhooked. We'll pull out from underneath it, get out of the way, so the next driver hook up to it tomorrow and have another load of cattle. But thanks for heading out with me today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Didn't maybe get to record quite as much as I would have liked to, but that happens at a new location. Again, enjoyed having you along. Hopefully we'll see you back soon for the next ride. In the meantime, everyone be safe.